back to 20 car. Here comes the sun, and it's riding in style. Meet the 2025 BMW Z4 Unofficial Concept, a seductive drop-top that blends German engineering with a wild streak of rebellion. This isn't just a convertible, it's a statement on wheels, freshly redesigned with fire in its soul and elegance in its curves. Looks-wise, the Z4 Concept is a rolling sculpture. The long, low hood stretches out like a beast ready to pounce. BMW's signature kidney grills have slimmed into sharp, aggressive nostrils, and the laser-thin LED lights give off a predator stare. The body lines? Sculpted like a Grecian statue in motion, with a sloping rear that screams "chase me if you dare." Slide into the cabin, and you're wrapped in leather and digital luxury. A dual-screen setup dominates the dash, one for the driver, one for the soul. Ambient lighting glows like city neon, and the iDrive system? It's basically your digital co-pilot. Plus, the steering wheel now features customizable haptics that feel your drive mode. Powertrain? A 3.0-liter turbo inline-six boosted with mild hybrid tech churns out 420 horsepower, launching you from 0 to 100 km height in 3.9 seconds. Rear-wheel drive, tuned to thrill. Rivals shaking in their boots? Porsche 718 Boxster, Jaguar F-Type, and Audi TT-RS. Estimated price? Around $75,000. Ownership costs are fair, BMW reliability's improved, but insurance will sing you a sports car lullaby. Depreciation? Manageable if you play it cool. Driving it feels like dancing with thunder on a mountain pass, grippy, fast, and always grinning. Pros: stunning looks, powerful engine, drop-top joy. Cons: limited trunk space, and you'll always be stared at. This Z4 Concept isn't a car, it's a flirtatious flash of speed under the open sky.